Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'm about to show you how you can cut out images in Photopea. I'm gonna show you other multiple ways, so make sure you watch this video till the very end and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials. So the first method, what we can do is use any tool from here, a tangle or lasso tool or a magic wand, or you can also go with crop, but I suppose you only want one single part of the image to delete. So you can, let's say your rectangle, let's do this select, or let's actually use the lasso tool. But before doing that, we have to click on rasterize, and now it will work. If you click on the delete, as you can see, you'll delete this part of this video, this part. But usually what I like, in fact, to do, what I do personally is I like to, let's say I'll cut this part and I'll go with Control J, and then I have this part. Maybe that's what I want. Now you can obviously, you know, if you want only that part, you can do it this way and then click on delete, right? But usually I like to do it this way, and then you have this part here. I have this part here, and what I can do now, you see I have this layer here, new layer, that's part of this image. I have this new layer, and now if I can uncheck this, usually that's what I use it for a lot. And now if you want to resize it, go to edit, free transform, and now you can resize it. But you know, depends now what you want. Please leave in the comment section if you have your questions in the comment section. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. I really appreciate if you subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.